Welcome back, everybody. In this segment about the same our president when we will talk about, because every time we keep on hearing Buhari direct soldier, Buhari have failed woefully, Buhari don't fail Nigerian people, Buhari failed in everything. Ladies and gentlemen, all from Nigerian newspapers, all these things. And the people when they yarn na prominent personalities in Nigeria. Okay? So, but there is something when they write with this kind of thing where they tell us every day the same thing, every time the same thing. Because if in a democracy, if there is something going on and the president refuses to listen to the people, or to the people's cry, or to the people's voice, both APC and PDP, all of them, they blast Buhari, say it don't feel in everywhere. Insecurity, it don't feel. Everything, it don't feel. So, in democracy, if the president fail, or you get how the president, they take misbehave, the next thing when they will do now to introduce impeachment. You know, because all of us don't see America introduce impeachment for Donald Trump. The way when they take impeach Donald Trump, how many times when they impeach Donald Trump? How many times when they try to impeach Donald Trump? 2 times. You know, because the people don't like his character. According to American people, or according to their medias, they introduce impeachment in the Congress. Congress begin carry the whole thing, then they begin impeach the man. Why it can't be say a country like Zoo Nation, nobody fit introduce impeachment to impeach this man when they tell us say he don't fail in every angle? Because if he don't fail, not to push him come out so that another person will enter, person will go sabi do the job. So why can't be say in our own nation? But we they see Nigerian government, Nigerian people, APC and PDP people all combined together when they sing American people praises when they impeach Donald Trump. So why the same people when they sing the Democrat praises in Nigeria, when the politicians, both APC people and people from PDP, why una not fit impeach una president when una no say him na failure, when una no say him don't fail in everywhere, when una no say because of him Nigeria don't decay? Why una no fit impeach una president? So you know, all these things combined together, they make me, they tell Nigerian people say our leaders, them be hypocrites. Our leaders, them be wayo people. Our leaders now so talk, then they talk. They know if you do anything. So you, as a normal person, you go know how to hold your side. You go know how to hold your side, because these people not be people where you go feel trust. Every day that they come, they tell us say they kidnap 100,000 people, they kidnap 20 people, Boko Haram key here, Boko Haram key there, army keys cause of Boko Haram keys cause of army, different thing, then throw bomb here, then kill the other one there, then do like that here, mean they kill everywhere, mean they rape people, and at the end of the day, the so-called leaders, they don't solve any problem, and they say they're getting a president there. President there, all these things they happen, they're not physically impeach the president when they cause all these things, because everything when they happen in a country, on top president head he did, because now him be the leader of the country. Okay, let us go to this the state governors. Now, state governors in every state in Nigeria, and then be the chief security officers in every state. So now, let's give example of this Oyo State, or Ondo State, or Ogun State, or Lagos State, when all these herdsmen people that they kill, the governor keep quiet. So why can't the people, when be the politicians there in that state, introduce impeachment in their parliament in order to impeach their failed governors? You get it? So all these things are to show you, say, no, these people, you can never ever trust them. Both the one when they write, both the one when they talk, both the governor, both the minister, both the, all because of corruption, ladies and gentlemen. Because of corruption. Everybody there is corrupt. Every politician in Nigeria is corrupt. I mean, each and every politician in Nigeria, they are all corrupt. Whether a local government chairman, whether not the secretary in the local government, whether not the governor of the state, whether not the ministers, whether not the people when they for Asoroko, whether not the people when they call themselves senators, whether not the people when they for House of Representatives, all of them are corrupt. That is why it will be very, very difficult for all these problems to solve in Nigeria. Even the issue of this herdsmen are corruption. Now, big corruption. Now, corruption, they cause this herdsmen thing. Because if corruption not in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen, herdsmen no go fit try all these things. All those governors, when they in the north, they nyan opata. They no fit nyan all those opata. If corruption not there. So, in time to come, ladies and gentlemen, if Nigeria not disintegrate, they will Islamize this country like never seen before. That is the agenda. The Buhari, when they say now go save them, come die, when go do the full-time Islamization for them. Now be the thing when save Nigerian people. Now they continue to propagate until when they go achieve their aims. The thing will make me bring out this topic now about this guy when they say now. Now new EFCC boss, what they call BAWA, BAWA. Now then they tell us now, say the Youth Council hails nomination of BAWA as chairman EFCC, seeks speedy confirmation. This same BAWA, they don't already come review saying a heavy corrupt public officer in corruption running into billions. Where this one come from? Now from the north. Now from the north, from Kebbi states. So, and a lot of people don't come in Nigeria there, ladies and gentlemen, don't come condemn the nomination of this guy. Whether not the guy when don't chop plenty money, thief plenty money, when with Mago they walk hand to hand. I've been a Mugu that they call that one. That is the APC people and their AGF. They go still nominate this guy when they know say na corrupt public officer. In fact, as soon as they nominate this guy, now so Sahara reporters roll out informations about this guy. You know, they roll out information about this guy's corruption, left and right, back and forth, running into billions of dollars. Somebody where they know say incorrupt. Na him on our President Muhammadu Buhari, when they tell us say in their life, na him go appoint as EFCC boss. As somebody when go to investigate criminals. When him himself na criminal. Even AGF himself na criminal. So tell me how that kind of country, how that kind of nation go take progress, ladies and gentlemen. You see, now this thing make me like Omo Ilishore and his media empire, Sahara Reporters. You know, last year, the AGF himself, he don't brag, say he must to sue this, he must to sue Sowore. He go sue hell out of Sowore, Sahara Reporters. Till today, no fame. Because he knows say, before Sahara Reporters publish you as a criminal in that country, then get your evidence at hand. No court of law. No court of law where you go carry them go when they no go win you that case. Now, then they publish you to disgrace you so that you go still carry them go that court, then go still knock you down, then disgrace you again in the face of the public. So that is why AGF today, after Sahara Reporters don't publish millions of dollars, when AGF don't loot and the things when empires when this man get everywhere, hotels, schools everywhere when this man get, you know, in come and say, oh, I want to show. Right? Today, AGF himself, Attorney General, what they call Malami Abubakar. Today, not fit to do nothing to Sahara Reporters. That is why I love Sahara Reporters. I love the job when Sahara Reporters that they do. When the Republic, just pray to God, say they not see, say you be criminal, or they see the evidence, come hold you. They don't publish you anyhow. If they not see evidence, they will just burn you. They not go answer you. They not be Punch newspaper or this newspaper when they get Nigeria when all of them don't conspire with the APC and PDP. All their hands they inside the APC and PDP. So that is why sometimes they write garbage. Sahara Reporters not they write anyhow. If they not get evidence to probe you, they not get your time until when that evidence will come out. Do you know how many people in Nigeria, how many prominent governors, ministers, pastors, the so-called prophets and prophetess when they say they want to show what today, none of them, none ever go to court, go sue anything. None. So, what make me bring out this topic today be saying, the issue of this Una Buhari say he don't do, he don't rule out this, he don't rule out that, he don't go do this, he don't go do that, is getting out of hand. Buhari not fit the insecurity problem, na Buhari problem, this one na Buhari problem. Una not fit pull any action. All of una corrupt. All of una funky say una corrupt. All of una they call Buhari do this, Buhari do that. All of una they pass by, they go carry money. For the fact say una not fit impeach this man when I talk say na Buhari when we never see before. The man when una they tell us every day na Buhari and we not see him. The fact say una not fit impeach the man, meaning say all of una for A to Z, both PDP, APC, both the pastors, both the prophets and prophetess, when they claim say Buhari do this, Buhari do that, una not fit advise people to impeach the man, or una not move to impeach the man, the political leaders in that country, all of una corrupt. Majority of them will just come and talk. Okay, now then they talk about the kidnappers. Okay, then the PDP they don't come out too. Make una know say not be politics that they run in Nigeria. Remember say America then get Democrat, then get Republicans, then get conservative, then get different political parties. Which people you feel say na them they probe Donald Trump, na them they investigate Donald Trump, na them even bring Donald Trump down till today. People when you feel say na them they impeach Donald Trump, ladies and gentlemen, na the oppositions when be the Democrats, because Donald Trump run under the platform of Republicans, which him na their leader till tomorrow. So the opposition that they impeach Donald Trump because they don't like Donald Trump's attitude, or maybe his style of governance, or maybe they hate the man. So now them when they there know the reason why whether they impeach Donald Trump, you know. Now we got opposition political party what they call PDP. And the PDP, every day that they come out, they sing, they tell us, say, Buhari not good, Buhari not good. Then you go ask yourself, what will be the reason why when we say every day when they hear news from PDP, they talk, say, Buhari not good, Buhari bad, Buhari insecurity problem, Buhari this, Buhari destroy Nigeria, Buhari not feed this, Buhari na looter, Buhari na this, Buhari make this and that. Why the same so-called PDP now, when they in their red chamber or wherever they why they not fit impeach President Muhammadu Buhari if una claim say Buhari dey alive, or if una claim say una be the opposition political party? Why una not fit impeach this man? Well, I say because of him, then they kill thousands of souls every day in Nigeria. Because of him, then they kidnap thousands every day in Nigeria. Because of him, the economic problem in Nigeria. No work, no job, nothing to be proud of in that country where they call Nigeria. Why una no fit impeach this man? The man when don't come lie to a whole nation say na him go fit handle the insecurity matter. Now, every time we go see PDP people, they will come out, they talk nonsense. They come, they talk, say, oh, Buhari failed. But you can't do this with mouth. You can't do this with ordinary, because nothing will ever change. Nothing. That is why when you talk sometimes, at least you pull action. Ladies and gentlemen, make we see again how Kola Olagmadiyo, when they propagate for the PDP people, how he take nyan in all about the student when they kidnapped Niger students. Settle your miscreancies. PDP tell Buhari. Only talk. Only PDP tell Buhari. That's all. And they say they be opposition. We they tell on a long time say Buhari don't die. PDP refuse to investigate because they are all corrupt. Because they have all compromised. PDP refuse to go into the matter because they are all the same thing. All the same set of people. So everything when PDP they tell you, not just stories. Just like APC. They are the same people. If PDP enter today, we will get another worsening situation. We will get another worsening insecurity in Nigeria. They are all the same, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now settle your miscreancies, PDP to Buhari. That's all. The PDP, People Democratic Party, asked President Muhammadu Buhari and All Progressive Congress (APC) to settle their miscreancies. The PDP gave the advice to reaction to bandits kidnap of staffs and students of government secondary school in Kangara in Niger State. The spokesman Kola Olagmadiyo, in a statement on Wednesday, lamented that while Nigerians were under attack, the APC was carrying out membership registration and revalidation exercises. Now, the thing I don't tell you in the end of my video, say, what is the point when they revalidate, when problem there? When we don't talk, them will come back. When they don't listen to us, they will come on their own. Now, so the game be. So we don't already accept, say, yes. No wahala. So, but when they speak, go pull action. We cannot continue to talk until 2023. Buhari is gone. He don't destroy Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, the Northerners, what they call these people now, where they don't claim North, or when they don't claim the northern part of the country, where they call Fulani people. Only thing when they sabi, anywhere where they not to destroy things. Now him, these people, when be the North, when then they call this one, they call the Fulani herdsmen and the Fulani people, the president themselves and all. Look at Nigeria since when Buhari take over. Even before when Buhari, this same Buhari day into power, the same thing happened. So why it can't be seen that only mouth when Kola Olagmadiyo they can't talk? After don't watch waiting people when they online they will go nyan their own. So now the spokesperson Kola Olagmadiyo in a statement on Wednesday lamented that while Nigeria were under attack, the APC was carrying out membership registration and revalidation exercise. The PDP said the stance of the APC administration towards the fight against banditry further validates reports that the bandits are enjoying cover under the ruling APC 100%. The opposition said it explains why the APC never raised a strong voice against what has become a national calamity. Olagmadiyo noted instead, APC leaders are patronizing the bandit and making excuses for them. Brother, unasiamu, not be here. Where would they talk all this and so? Now only messenger Funky D be. You understand? I just dey here to send a message to people when they not hear this message before. Waiting our leaders that they carry mouth that they talk on their own. Now him be my job. You understand? Now waiting your leaders now they tell you now say APC leaders say that they patronize bandits and they making excuses for them. Public space is awash with reports that many of these bandits terrorizing Nigeria are political machineries brought in by APC from neighboring countries to help it enforce rigging of 2019 election, but which the APC and its leaders failed to settle after the election, leaving them to unleash their frustration on innocent Nigerians. You get it? Our party charges the APC to speak out on this report and take immediate steps to settle their political machineries, return them to wherever they brought them from, and bring an end to these gruesome attacks on Nigerians. While commiserating with the victim of attack, the PDP urged the security forces to go after the bandits and rescue the Kagara school children before any harm comes upon them. Brother, now here within PDP they talk, say these people then bring them to rig 2019 elections. Okay. Yes. Okay, you are right, Olabadi. No problem. You are right. But my question to you and PDP people. Now, to bring in foreigners illegally in a country is a crime. A big crime under Nigeria's constitution. Now, the leaders of APC, when they bring these people come, now Buhari be their leader. And the president of the country. Why una no now say such a thing when they happen in Nigeria? All this problem when they in Nigeria. Now APC people and the Buhari. Why una no use only this thing to impeach the president? This thing alone. Now then bring all this problem, all these killings. Now that they tell you now say APC refuse to settle these people. That is why these people that they kill innocent Nigerian people. Then just they use Nigerian people. They're not fit near the leaders. They don't know where the leaders are. They're not fit see them where they. Because all the whole leaders that get their bodyguard anywhere where they carry 200, 300 bodyguards. You know, now then they rule. So now, only this thing alone, you can impeach the president of a nation with this atrocity, with this crime. You bring in foreign terrorists to rig election. After you don't rig the election, now you not pay them. Now them begin unleash mayhem on top innocent Nigerian people. Brother, that one alone never read to impeach Buhari. I want me to give me the answer. Then if that one never read to impeach a president, then nothing don't reach to impeach any president in this world anymore. So why PDP now ignore to impeach this man? So that is why they tell me, say, all of them compromise. All of them know what that they do. All of them are corrupt. All their hands are stained with corruption. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you not get anything when on one and concerning this analysis, oh yeah, make una come down to our comment section. Come down, come tell us how you feel, what you think about this our Ogbonge analysis regarding how therefore take impeach Buhari and then they ignore the whole thing. Even say in wife not dey Nigeria, as then they claim say in wife not dey, a sitting president not get wife. Can you imagine? And he not ask, oh, where my wife dey? And I tell us say Buhari dey. Chineke ga gbokwo ononcha oko. So if you get anything when one contact Funky D Star TV, make you just come down to our comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Come tell us what in your mind, what you think about this our analysis. So one love everybody, and see you guys next time.